Shastra, where the art of English meets with the science of mastery. Whether you are looking to speak fluently, ace your grammar, or grasp the latest vocabulary from Bollywood and Hollywood, so we are here to elevate your language game. Okay, so as we all know, language is power and English is your passport to the world full of opportunity. At Lingua Shastra, we have crafted an experience that makes learning this global language not just simple but transformational. From untangling tricky tenses to demystifying complex structures, our grammar tips and tricks are designed to make learning a bridge. No more confusion, just clear and practical advice that helps you master English step by step. Do you want to talk like your favorite celeb? Learn trending vocabulary directly from Bollywood and Hollywood stars and stay ahead to the curve. And we will show you how you can bring the red carpet flair to your everyday conversation. Are you looking for great grades? We have got you covered. Our book review go beyond just summarizing the story. We explore the language within them and offering insight that helps you to expand your vocabulary and comprehension through literature. Sharpen your listening and speaking skills with the immersive practice session. Whether you want to boost your pronunciation or engage in fluent natural conversation, Lingua Shastra will help you speak confidently and understand effortlessly. Just a big name, our fast-paced video shorts, fun polls and quizzes keeps you engaged and learning on to go. Dive into the quick lessons and test your skills with the interactive content that makes learning English exciting. At Lingua Shastra, we believe that learning English would be fun, interactive and inspiring. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Subscribe now and let's embark on this exciting journey too. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be the first to experience our latest video and all amazing features coming your way. You can also follow us Instagram, Facebook for daily tips, language challenges and exclusive content. There will be much more to explore. So bye bye for now. See you soon on Lingua Shastra.